Hello guys, it's raining today. My name is Nicholas. Today we're gonna have fun and do the muddy puddle.
Nicholas, will you like the rain? Yeah. Okay, so it means there's almost every day. So do you like going inside the rain and jumping in muddy puddles? Yeah.
Nathan is telling me about the Philippines that is raining every day. He said we will do the muddy puddle there. Guys, see the bird is flying. Mommy is using umbrella.
Can you go through here? Please. No? No, wait. Okay, let's go. 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 Fast. Don't run. It's so cold.
Water is so cold, guys. I love to jump in the water. Yahoo!
Oh my god.
This is the best day ever, guys. Nathan and I enjoyed so much. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye bye. God bless.